Hello everyone, welcome back to our Die series where we explore the world of creativity with wood. Today we are crafting wood art pieces to add a touch of elegance and a dash of with humor of your walls. Let's dive in. Our first project is a stunning geometric wood paneling design. It's so chic. Even the Pythagorean theorem would be jealous. Here's what you will need: wooden panels, measuring tape, saw, and wood glue. Arrange the pieces in a pattern that pleases you. Then glue them together. Trust me, your walls will thank you for this mathematically marvelous makeover. Next up, we have a charming wood slice mosaic. Remember, when life gives you wood slices, make a colorful music. Gather different sizes wood slices, paints, and brushes. Arrange and glue the slices onto a bucking board. These mosaic will add a rustic touch to any wall and make your guests wonder if you have been moonlighting as an artist. Now let's create functional and stylish floating wood shelves. You will need wooden boards, brackets, screws, or a drill. It's like die meets mission impossible. Arrange and secure the brackets, and you have got a set of sturdy, minimalistic shelves for displaying your favorite items. The best part: no more hunting for lost keys. Arrange and secure the brackets. For our final project, we have making a wood quilt wall hanging. It's like quilting, but without the late night stitching. Gather small wooden pieces, a saw, wood glue, and a backing board. Once the pieces are arranged, glue them in place. The unique wood adds a touch of warmth and texture to your walls. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe my channel.